Hello, so today we'll see how far we can go with this Listify project. I know the project is kind of taking time. Yeah, trying to round it up. So let's see what we have done and what needs to be added. Okay, so we haven't added any project. I put it under electronics and call this one iron. So let's say iron. This one, two. In the future, we'll see how you add a grocery and you don't have to refresh and that model close immediately. Yes, so that's one thing we have to do where you don't have to refresh the page. So we have that in mind. So we have delete and edit. So in delete, now we have to pass an ID of what you want to delete. In edit, what do we think we should be able to edit? I'm thinking you shouldn't be able to edit the name. Maybe the quantity, you cannot edit the quantity and only the description, the quantity and the description. So let's come over here to grocery. So this is to update the grocery list. So you pass groceries and delete. Okay. So let's first do the update first. So let's come over here, sorry. So we'll put this thing in the bottom. So we're doing article to the what's the name of our edit item. So we have an idea of which we're gonna use to edit. So okay, let's try something. So we're gonna because if we want to edit, we have to pass the previous values and the new values. So in order to pass the previous values, we're gonna say groceries. So we're trying to get the previous grocery. Groceries is equals to so we're going to use this. We're going to use this get grocery by ID. Sorry, I forgot to sell the stuff. So we didn't use the ID. We're going to pass the ID here. So we're going to inspect groceries now. So we're able to get the groceries. Voila! For ironing and everything. So that's what is in our grocery list. So we come over here and so you're supposed to we're supposed to do a form for you to like edit, because when you click on edit then something is supposed to open to for you to write the new value you want to write and then the description. So you're supposed to do a model something. I totally forgot that part. This could be pretty straightforward where you click on this icon and it's available. When you click on edit, it can't be like this because now we have to just, well, let's try it where we just use dummy data first. We haven't done the form, or let's just try dummy data first. This is something. So you got updated, and if you refresh it, so we see hello and we see one. So this is actually what we want to be, what we want to happen, but the name is still iron, but we have updated the description and the quantity. But now we needed a form because you can't be doing it like that. Somebody's supposed to actually fill a form, so we need to do a form. So we can call something right here. So by default it will be false. So we can do, and so we can leave this function. Yeah, we can leave this function and just do a new function called Elixir, which is gonna be our we're gonna call this one edit, and we'll pass the params to it. And so there is this ID we'll call so by default it will be new I forgotten how to do it. Yeah, so this is just it, a sign. So edit show will be show, and so we cannot do a maybe something like this. Something like this form we have here. So we can use get actually to like get a variable and pass it here, and we're gonna like cancel it, or we can just put an empty form there. But most times just put a variable there, cancel and well, let's just put an empty form. So just so this at tab they did this thing, so we're gonna copy it. I think we have copied here and by here. Can just use a simple form. Okay, so So in the files we have description and entity. Okay, so I can just so wait, didn't give you the right thing. So what's what I'm like? So now I have a groceries ID. Okay, so So it works, but you just have to refresh the page. So in the future, we would have to do it automatically where it reflects immediately without you refreshing the page. But our editing works. I feel like there could be a cleaner way to do this. Yeah. So the more we learn and improve ourselves, the more we learn how to do this in a cleaner way. So I'll just say so with groceries, let's do the delete button. We are coming to an end of this tutorial, everyone. Yay! So how do we do delete? Okay, so this is what we needed to have. Delete grocery, the grocery user, so you pass user ID and so let's try this to delete a particular, because I feel like this is to delete, so this is to delete all the grocery items. So let's try this. So we pass the user ID and grocery ID. Sorry, it's not the category. I've seen the problem. I was like, why am I hearing myself talking? So said undefined. Did you mean delete 2, delete 3? Let's come here and see this. Only that grocery. So in this delete grocery, we're gonna pass delete grocery user ID just to differentiate the two function. So we're gonna pass the user ID and the grocery item. So over here now, coming back here, we're just gonna do a PHS click like this. Over here, PHS click like this. Over here, and we're gonna call this one delete item. So over here, we're gonna do another function. Just like our edit function. So we are going to extract the ID. And we can, because in case if, so we have gotten the, from the ID we can get them, we just do something of like this. Okay, so we're gonna see so we'll go to the browser and see what we use.